Ford has reinvented the van for baby boomers whose idea of rocking doesn't involve a chair. Ford unveiled the redesigned Transit Connect Wagon at the 2018 Chicago Auto Show. The last Ford Transit Connect Wagon won over boomers born from 1946 to 1964 that grew up driving vans with its unique combination of affordable, fun, and easy-to-use people mover attributes and cargo hauling capabilities. At 111 million strong and holding 63% of American financial assets, the 50-plus demographic is the #1 consumer demographic in the United States, far exceeding Gen X's 61 million and Millennials' 75 million. And 1 in 3 boomers plans to purchase a car in the next 3 years, according to AARP. Surfer Grandpa gets his van. Kevin Brown, age 63, of Nassau Bay, Texas, is the kind of active boomer who loves the Ford Transit Connect Wagon. Brown grew up driving vans in the 1970s and now, this Gulf Coast surfer and grandfather of 9 drives a 2014 Ford Transit Connect Wagon for his work as an illustrator and custom t-shirt printer. "If I'm not shuttling family to the beach, I'm working," he said. "My Transit Connect lets me pull double duty." With room for 5 to 7 passengers and offering easy conversion to cargo duty, the 2019 Ford Transit Connect Wagon takes care of business with a versatility and maneuverability that make everyday adventures easy. The wagon features all new gas and diesel engines and a suite of driver assist technologies, including standard automatic emergency braking. The feature is included with pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, a segment exclusive. Baby boomers have always embraced life's adventures, and to them age is just another experience to master, said Mark Leneve, Ford Vice President, U.S. Marketing, Sales, and Service. From being easy to get in and out of, plus flexible seating and cargo space, Transit Connect Wagon makes it convenient for boomers to keep enjoying family time or explore new hobbies and careers. Packed with technology. The new Transit Connect Wagon features new driver assist features, including standard automatic emergency braking. The feature is included with segment-exclusive pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection to help avoid collisions with other vehicles and pedestrians who might accidentally cross in front of the vehicle's path. Adaptive cruise control is also available. The system makes highway driving easier by automatically slowing the vehicle when radar detects traffic slowing ahead. Available blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert also uses radar to detect surrounding vehicles, providing alerts if vehicles approach unseen from either side. To help avoid lane drift while driving, available lane keeping system vibrates the steering wheel and can apply extra steering wheel torque to help you keep the vehicle centered on the road. Designed for life on the go. Available in 2 wheelbases to accommodate 5 or 7 passengers and in 3 trim levels, XL, XLT, and Titanium, Ford Transit Connect Wagon can be built to meet the needs of any customer. A spacious, flexible interior makes loading cargo a cinch. Dual sliding side doors provide added convenience, and available roof rails extend its versatility with any number of accessories that can be fitted to the roof to haul bikes, kayaks, stand-up paddle boards or luggage. Ford Transit Connect Wagon's new instrument panel is centered on features that are both useful and straightforward, an available 6.5-inch floating touchscreen, a digital driver information center in the cluster, and available wireless charging for your mobile device. Coming soon, Waze compatibility will help drivers steer clear of troublesome traffic spots. Staying connected is easy thanks to the standard embedded 4G LTE modem providing Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices and available sync registered trademark 3 with Ford and Alexa personal assistant functionality. All new under the hood. A new powertrain lineup provides greater customer choice with a class-exclusive diesel engine offering. The new 2019 Transit Connect with all-new 1.5-liter EcoBlue registered trademark diesel engine is targeted to return an EPA-estimated fuel economy rating of at least 30 mpg highway. The diesel engine is paired with an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission. A new 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with direct injection comes with auto start-stop as standard equipment. It too comes mated to the all-new 8-speed automatic. Affordable, flexible, smart. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is expected to be one of the most affordable 7-passenger vehicles in the United States. The long-wheelbase model has more interior cargo volume behind the first row than the 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe, making the task of getting oversized items home a snap. And with a turning radius of just 38.3 feet for the short wheelbase van, getting around busy streets is easy. For those who need to tow a trailer, Ford Transit Connect Wagon is expected to offer unsurpassed towing capability of 2,000 pounds when paired with the available trailer tow package. The 2019 Ford Transit Connect Wagon goes on sale in fall 2018.